Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain MYFLEXPAY app review to see if it worth using. So to get started, in 2025, MYFLEXPAY is a helpful app for employees who want early access to earned wages without relying on payday loans or overdraft fee. It allows users to withdraw a portion of their paycheck instantly or by the next day, and include features like real-time pay tracking, budgeting tools, and savings goals. The app is easy to use, widely available through participating employees, and highly rated on both Android and iOS for its financial flexibility and convenience during tight moment. However, the app isn't perfect. Transfer fee is between $1.99 to $2.99 and can add up without frequent use. And users have reported app glitches, delay in any update, and slow or unresponsive customer support. And here's banner intake. MYFLEXPAY is worth it if you need occasional cash flow relief, but not ideal as a daily financial tool unless the fee and tech issues don't bother you. And that's it. Hope you find the review helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review. And that's it.